So, how been ya? Welcome to the Black Country Craftsman's YouTube channel. Today we're going to repair this deeply scratched laminate worktop. Now, to complete this task you will need some cleaning thinners, various colours of touch-up paint, an artist paintbrush, some Laminate, a filler knife, some various fine sandpapers and a can of matte lacquer. Firstly, I've completely wiped over with the thinners to give it a good clean, to get rid of that sticky substance there, as you will need to lacquer that later, so you need to remove that. So now we're ready to start the repair. So I've got two colours now as a tester. One is the black and one is a blacky grey. As you can see there, that's a blacky grey and that's the grey, the black. So as you can see, neither one of them match, so we've got to try and mix the two together. I've got a little bit of beige in there as well, because beige normally mixes well with black to lighten it up. So we see if we've got to try and get a colour match. So as you can see there, we've got the black, we've got the blacky grey. Those two mixed together come up with that one. As you see from the photo, I added a touch of brown on that one. As you can see, it's a lot lighter. And it's come up with a decent colour match. So what we need to do now is apply that paint into the groove and into there. Before we should carry on with the repair, we need to try and get that all covered up. So I've added the paint. What we need to do now is basically rub it in to try and get the paint to dry in the groove. It may take a couple of coats, that's your objective, just to get the paint in the groove where it's damaged. Right, the paint has been applied to the scratches and allowed to dry. As you can see, it's it's not a pure black worktop, so any imperfections with the colour you will be able to get away with, hopefully. Same with that little one there. Now, next stage is we need to apply this Laminate system, which I've used a lot in the past. And the Laminate is a wood, it's like a wood super glue for gluing wood materials, but it does dry clear. So basically, with the paint being in the damage and using a nice clean filler knife, we'll apply the glue across the damage and scrape it back nice and flat. Same with that one, and then we'll lightly sand that out. Right, using some 180 grit sandpaper, start to sand the glue back until it's flat. Be careful how you rub this, just in case you damage the worktop. Okay, we're all sanded flat, it's nice and smooth. There's a couple of light scratches there, that will disappear when we put the lacquer on. What I meant about not be careful of damaging the worktop, is that this laminate is quite thin and sometimes kind of on the edge or on the surface you can over sand it and basically remove the laminate, so be careful when you're sanding it back. What we need to do now is masking tape it up and get it ready for spraying. Okay, we're all masking taped off. This is the lacquer that I'm using, which is a matte lacquer. Pop it on the radiator or heat it up in some way, either with a heat gun or put in a bowl of warm water for 5 minutes just to warm it up. Basically what this does, it allows the lacquer to come out a lot smoother than if it's cold. Okay, I've wiped it down with some panel wipe. When that's dry, from a distance, sprinkle your lacquer over there, just let it form on the surface and just let it dry. Slowly start to build the coats up. Just to keep applying the coats. And slowly the repair will start to disappear. All done, as good as new. As we say in the Black Country, that's Boston. Okay, if you've enjoyed this video, smash us a like, drop us a comment, and if we can help you, we will. And please, subscribe to give us a little support. Also, please check out our other videos, as we've got quite a few out now. You may find something that might just help you out in the future. I'm the Black Country Craftsman. Don't forget to tell your muckers. Learning how to fix these problems yourself is cheaper than paying someone else to do it for you. Thanks for watching.